Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to make something very simple. I don't want to call it a recipe, but that's what it is when you put things together to come up with a result. It's cashew butter. And what you're going to need is at least 2 cups of raw cashews. Now, this is the color of raw cashews. Can you see the difference? This is a raw cashew, and this is going to be the roasted. The roasted cashews give a richer flavor. So you roast your raw cashews at 350 for 10 minutes. Okay? That's what I did. They're still warm. You use a food processor with an S blade, and you can put in a little salt. I'm going to do, I think it's a dash. It is a dash. I put in a dash of salt. Brings out the flavor. You don't need it if you don't want to do salt, okay? So I'm going to take these roasted and put it in the food processor. And I'm going to put in a dash of salt. You put your lid on, you turn the power on, and then what's going to happen is it's going to get really grainy, then it's going to get crumbly, then it's going to get powdery, then it's going to come together in a ball, and then the ball, every time I'm going to be using my spatula to scrape down the sides. And after the ball, you keep letting it run, and it'll start to turn into butter. So there's several stages it goes through. All right? Stir it around. It's much thinner than it was. See that? Just be patient with this, and it'll turn into just delicious cashew butter. And you don't have to, it gives you such a peace to know what's in your cashew butter is just cashew butter. I was going to use that, but I think I can just spoon it out because it's so thick. Get it all. It's a lot down under there. Now, how do you use this cashew butter? The same way you would use your cashew butter that you purchased in a jar from the store. It's the same thing. Well, it's better because it's more pure, it's more natural, and doesn't have any oil. It's going to be really delicious tasting. I think this is a 16-ounce jar. This is about 15 ounces in there because I'm really excited about making the butters because you take this hard nut, roasted or not roasted, whichever way you want, and you just let it spin in your food processor, and it turns into butter. So it's a great treat, and it's really nice that you can make your own. That's what I say, like making your own almond milk and different kinds of plant milks. This is really fun to watch. So that's the end of the video. I'm overwhelmed because I think it's wonderful, and I hope you'll give this a try. I'll also show you how to do almond butter and maybe another kind of butter too. But it's going to be the same. You just keep spinning, letting it spin until it turns into what you're looking for. So until the next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And don't forget to smile and leave me some comments below. Okay, troopers? Bye for now.